Good morning, class 2nd. Class is English literature, and today we'll start our new chapter, chapter 10, Funny Bunny. Okay, what is the chapter's name? Funny Bunny. So, class, it's a story about a rabbit. Okay, and whose name is Funny. Okay, what is the name of that bunny? Funny. Okay, what is the name of this rabbit? Funny Bunny. Bunny means rabbit. Okay, so the name of this rabbit is Funny Bunny. Okay, so in this story there is something about this funny bunny, and what is this? You have to read the story. It's a very interesting story and you have to learn a lesson from this story. Okay, so now read this, listen this story very carefully. From here the story started. One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. One day what happened? A nut. Okay, here in this picture you can see there is a nut fell on this Funny Bunny head. Okay, ouch, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. So when this nut is fell down on this Funny Bunny head, he was thinking that the sky is going to fall. What he was thinking? He was thinking that the sky is going to fall and I must tell this to the king. Okay, I have to tell about it to the king of this forest. Okay, and now tell me, who is the king of the forest? Yes, very good, lion. Okay, so he wants to tell about it to the lion, the king of the forest. Okay, so on the way he met Henny Penny. Okay, the second character. Okay, on the way when he was going to tell about the nut or the falling the sky to the king, and on the way he met Henny Penny. Who was Henny Penny? Henny Penny was this hen. Okay, Henny Penny, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. So when he met this Funny Bunny, met this Henny Penny, he said that the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. Okay, this rabbit is telling this hen that the sky is going to fall. Okay, and I am going to tell about it to the king of the forest. Okay, I am going to the king. I will come too, said Henny Penny. So when this Henny Penny, this hen, heard about it, she said that I am also come with you. Okay, to tell about it to the king. And off they went to find the king, both of them, this Funny Bunny and this Henny Penny. Both of them were going to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky. Okay, after then they met Cocky Locky. Who was he? Cocky Locky was a cock. Okay, Henny was a hen and Cocky Locky was a cock. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. So again this rabbit is telling this cock that the sky is going to fall. I am going to the king to tell about it. Okay, I'll come too, said Cocky Locky. So when this Cocky Locky, this cock, heard about it, he also said that I am also come with you to tell about it to the king. And off they went to find the king. Okay, and after then this rabbit, okay, and hen and cock, three of them were going to find the king. On the way they met Lucky Ducky. Okay, after then they met this Lucky Ducky. Who was Lucky Ducky? Lucky Ducky was a duck. Okay, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. So again this rabbit, this Funny Bunny, said to this Lucky Ducky that the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. I am going to tell the king about it. Okay, I'll come too, said Lucky Ducky. So again this Lucky Ducky said that I am also come with you. Okay, I am also come to help you. I am also come to tell this to the king. And off they went to find the king. And after then all four of them, means rabbit, hen, cock and duck, all four of them are going to search to find the king. On the way they met Posy Goosey. Okay, who was Posy Goosey? Posy Goosey, this is. Okay, so in the way they met a Posy Goosey. Again this rabbit says the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. Okay, so again he said that I am going to tell about it to the king, that the sky is going to fall. I'll come too, said Pussy Goosey. So again Pussy Goosey said that I also come with you. Okay, I'm also come with you to help it. And off they went to find the king. And now here all five of them. All five of them is rabbit, hen, cock, goosey and duck. All five of them were going to find the king. On the way they met Voxy Foxy. Okay, after them, they all five of them met a Voxy Foxy. Voxy Foxy is a fox. Okay, and fox is a very clever animal. Yes or no? She is famous for her cleverness. So after then, they all met a Voxy Foxy. After then, what happened? The sky is going to fall, they all said. So again, all five of them said to the Voxy Foxy that the sky is going to fall and we are going to tell about it to the king. Okay, the king of the forest. The king lives here, said Voxy Foxy. So here this is a fox and it is a very cunning and clever animal. Okay, so he said that the king lives here. Okay, what he said? He said that the king lives here. Follow me, come with you. I will meet you to the king. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey. Here, this was the last day. This was the ending of all these five animals. Okay, which five animals? Rabbit, hen, cock, goose and duck. This is the ending of all these five animals. Okay, now can you tell me what happened after this? क्या हुआ होगा उनके साथ? This clever and cunning fox eat all five of them. Okay, with the use of his cunningness. Okay, so here you have learned a lesson that whatever you do, you have to think once. Okay, then you have to come to any decision. जब भी हम लोग कुछ करते हैं तो उससे पहले एक बार सोच लेना चाहिए कि मतलब आपके हेड पे एक नेट गिरा तो आपने क्या सोचा कि वो स्काई गिरने वाला है. तो दिस इज नॉट द गुड थिंग ना, दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट. सो whatever you do, think once. Okay, so here the story is completed. Hope you all enjoyed it. Yes or no? Yes, no? Very good. And also there are some new words for you like nut, 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 ouch, 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 met, 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 I am, I'll, I'll, off, 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 were, vere, were. Okay, so here these are new words. You have to learn these spellings. Okay, and here I'll and were, these are in contraction form. Okay, I am का short form I will, I shall, I'll, and we are, we were, so were. So clear, these are in contraction form. So class, here the story is completed. So it's enough for the day. Thank you.